Hey YouTube, what's going on? Just want to get you guys a quick shot, quick video. The LifeProof case. I think they're pretty much all the same, but today we're going to be putting on one on an iPhone 4. This is my son's phone. We wanted to get him a case that he wasn't going to break. He wasn't going to break the phone. The phone would be more secure, more safe. And to boot, it's also waterproof. So I already took the liberty of opening up the box. It comes with this convenient little thing for headphones. It's a headphone jack. The case comes easily apart. Don't pull it too hard, but pull it gently apart, and you have your case there. And the iPhone fits and slips in it perfectly. So I'm just going to clean off the screen real quick. Get the glass clean. And then we're going to stick the phone in. Phone fits right on top of there. Case comes out. Nice little design. And then the case is going to snap right into itself. So snap right in there. So now his phone will be very protected. And it's also waterproof. I don't know if the phone is on or not. Yeah, it might be.
He's 9, it's never charged.
Yeah, he's 9 years old. He doesn't, there we go. You can tell his phone battery is very dead. So, it has an open thing for a charger port here. You wouldn't open that underwater. But this right now is securely waterproof. Oh, and make sure your little plug, you have a little plug right here for your headphone jack. Make sure that that little plug is in your headphone jack. That'll securely make it 100% waterproof. Take your sticker off, and now you have a secure, safe iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, whatever the case. It's a very nice, convenient, small case for your phone. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Subscribe. We'll have some future videos coming. And thanks for watching again, guys. We'll see you next time.